Guys, welcome back to Rough Kitchen. On today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make fried fish. But the special of this dish is that I'm going to be cooking it on coconut sauce. So if you want to learn how to get it done, stay tuned, subscribe to my channel, leave a comment down below, hit the bell for notifications. And remember guys, thank you so much for all the support and everybody that has been watching Rough Kitchen out there. Let's not lose any more time and let's get to the recipe. Alright guys, these are the ingredients that we are going to be using on today's recipe. Right here we have tomato paste, white wine, oregano, salt and pepper. We also have barley powder, coconut milk, and right here we have fish, we have flounder, that's the type that we're cooking today, and right here we have a lime, chopped onions, cilantro, and right here we have three different types of bell peppers. We have the yellow kind, the red ones, and the orange ones. Alright guys, this is already to be served. It is amazing, it smells delicious, tastes delicious. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, leave your comment down below, hit the bell for notifications. And guys, I would really suggest for you to make this at home. It's really cheap and it's very easy. Guys, thank you so much for the support and for all the people out there watching Raf Kitchen. I will see you next time with another episode on Raf Kitchen.